Hello, this is Neha and today I'll discussing and I'll share three sentences or the phrases with you all. Even you can consider them, these are so basic and I'm not going to be learn them. But sometimes people say, okay, we can understand English, but we are not going to be able to speak up because you are not going to be. You are not repeating words, phrases or the sentences. That's why your tongue is not habitual to that particular sentences or the language as well. So what you have to do, whatever, what sentences, it seems to be like so simple, it could seems to be like advanced as well, but whatever I'm share with you, you have to be stick on that. You are just going to be repeat them again and again over in your conversation throughout your day, and gradually you will feel, you will see after 3 months, after 4 months, your English would be better and you would be able to speak a fluent English. So let's begin with the first one. So first one is I understand you. I understand you. You understand me. तुम मुझे समझते हो. You understand me. हम तुम्हें समझते हैं. We understand you. We understand you. So let's again do that. I understand you means मैं तुम्हें समझती हूँ. I understand you. तुम मुझे समझते हो. You understand me. You understand me. हम तुम्हें समझते हैं. We understand you. Sorry. We understand you. We understand you. Let's move on to the next one, and that is कृपया धीरे धीरे बोलिए. कृपया धीरे धीरे बोलिए. Please speak slowly. 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 And the third one is मेरे पास समय है. I have time. 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 तुम्हारे पास समय है. You have time. You have time. You have time. हमारे पास समय है. We have time. We have time. So these sentences, we can say the phrases, these were so basic even, but if you want to improve your English, if you want to fluent in English, and if you want to speak up, then I would suggest you just have to be try. You just have to be try repeating them whatever I have shared with you, like in your conversation again and again over, and your tongue would be habitual to it. And after that, gradually you would see, yeah, it's working. Even with the time, like the days passing, then I'm just going to be share the advanced vocabulary and the phrases and the sentences as well. But I would tell you that we must start with the basic one. Even we already know about their meanings, we already know those sentences before, we already using them, but I would tell you, you are just going to be use them again and again over today throughout your day, and in your conversation it would be fruitful with you, it would be fruitful for you in a long term. Bye.